How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about eat garlic and cucumber, and this is what will happen to your body. So these two foods, you guys, are probably the #1 things that you can possibly eat if you want good things to happen to your body. So in this video, we're going to go over some of the health benefits of eating cucumber and garlic on the daily basis, you guys. So to start off, let's go over garlic. Some health benefits of garlic is that it's highly nutritious and that it's very few in calories. Very few calories, you guys. 1 ounce, 28 grams, gives you your vitamin B6, 17% of that for the day. That's right, 17% of your B6. Your vitamin C, 15%. Selenium, 6%. And your fiber, 0.6 grams. Fiber, you should have around 14 grams of fiber per 1,000 calories. If you're eating 2,000 calories, you should have around 28 grams of fiber. So as you can see, garlic, 28 grams of garlic, which isn't that much, you guys, contains a whole whack of vitamins, minerals, very low in calorie, very beneficial. Highly, highly recommend that. Second thing, garlic, and you guys have probably heard this before, garlic combats sickness and colds. So if you're thinking that you're about to get the common cold, have a little bit of garlic. It will stop it in its tracks, you guys. Trust me. Garlic boosts the function of your immune system, so that is why that the garlic is stopping the cold. Because if your immune system's down here, you're getting really sick, really tired, garlic is going to boost it. You're not going to get sick. You're not going to get tired, stuff like that. There was actually a 12-week study that showed that it it reduces your chance of being sick by 63%. That's right. A 12-week study reduces your chance of being sick or cold by 63%. You guys, that's over half, you guys. That's crazy. Simply crazy. Okay, you guys, what else are we going to go over? Garlic reduces high blood pressure. That is right. Now, some of you may be thinking, okay, well, who cares about high blood pressure? 1 out of every 3 people in the world have high blood pressure. That's right. It's the #1 killer among diseases. It's hands down the worst cause of killer. That's why they call it the silent killer, you guys. And I'm all for lowering blood pressure. I watch my blood pressure every single day, you guys. So how much garlic do you need to take in a day to lower your blood pressure? 600 to 1,500 milligrams. So that comes out to around 4 cloves a day. So yes, that's quite a bit, but it has been known to lower your blood pressure the same as taking medication. And the medication that they say is Atenol. So Atenol, whatever the hell it's called, is a blood pressure medication. By taking 4 cloves a day, eating those 4 cloves, it's better than taking this Atenol. That's right, you guys, it's crazy. 4 cloves a day is the same as taking blood pressure medication. So you lose weight, you get to healthy blood pressure, you eat your 4 cloves a day, you don't need to take your blood pressure medication. That seems like a pretty good trade-off if you ask me. Seriously, like it's crazy good. Okay, what else does it do? It lowers your total and your LDL cholesterol. Your LDL cholesterol is the bad cholesterol. That's why it's LDL. You want a low amount of it. And so, yeah, it's crazy. It lowers your freaking cholesterol. Your total cholesterol and your LDL, it will lower. There is no signs of it improving your HDLs, which is the high ones that you want, the good cholesterol. But who cares? As long as it lowers the LDLs, that's all you want. Like, who cares if it doesn't raise? There's other ways of raising that good cholesterol, but it lowers the bad cholesterol. So it's crazy, you guys. You need to be eating your garlic cloves. In my opinion, I'd have around 2 garlic cloves a day. That's what I would do. And I would put it on different things. Put it on rice. Rice would taste really good. Chicken. Just adding it as a spice, stuff like that, you guys, that's crazy. Okay, the next thing, it improves your athletic performance. That's right. Some of you are saying, what? It was actually used in ancient cultures, you guys, as an athletic booster. This was the performance enhancing drug back in the day. It was garlic, believe it or not. Isn't that crazy? So it was used to fight fatigue and work capacity, and it was given to the laborers of ancient Greece so that they can improve. Isn't that crazy? Like, I don't know. I think that's fucking crazy. They use this as a performance enhancing drug. Like nowadays you would use all kinds of different crap. But seriously, garlic, that's what they used back in the day. That's all they had. They used garlic and it did work. It improved the performance of the laborers. That's why they did it. So like, if you don't use any of this for the health benefits, just understand that it can actually improve your athletic performance in the gym, and you won't get a cold, so you won't miss time in the gym as well. So very, very beneficial. I highly recommend that you guys use it. Like, okay, let's go over cucumbers, you guys. Cucumbers are amazing too. That's why we're talking about garlic and cucumbers today. Cucumbers protect your brain. That is right. They protect your brain from getting Alzheimer's diseases, and it improves your memory. It improves your damn memory. I don't have the best memory, you guys, so maybe I should have some more cucumbers. I don't know, but that seems like a pretty good trade-off to me. Improving your memory, protecting your brain. It's pretty crazy. Second tip is that it reduces your chances of cancer. Way too much cancer in the world, you guys. I blame it on the fast food restaurant, all that processed shit. So much processed shit nowadays. By having whole foods, fruits, veggies, lean meats, whole grains, stuff like that, that's going to reduce your chances. Eating cucumbers, very nutritious, very good. Highly recommended. So, antioxidants, that's the third thing for the cucumbers. Ton of antioxidants, just like blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. I have my blueberries daily. About to have a blueberry protein shake right away. Antioxidants for the cucumbers, very good. Another tip, fourth tip, freshens your breath. That is right. That's why you see a lot of people, mostly girls, but they'll have the bottle of waters and then they'll have cucumbers inside. I was like, before making this video, I was honestly thinking about for work the next day, I would put some cucumbers in my water, believe it or not, but we'll see about that. But yeah, it freshens your breath. So if you have stinky breath, you have bacteria breath, maybe you're on a keto diet. Keto diets can cause really stinky breath. Have some water with cucumbers. Just cut them up, put them inside your water. It's going to taste amazing. Trust me on this, you guys. Another tip, fifth tip, maintains a healthy weight, you guys. That's right, they're very low in calories, so they're not going to add a ton of calories. You're not going to gain weight. It could be used for a snack if you want to. Bottom line, very low in calories. That is what you want. They are a vegetable, extremely good. I recommend them. Heart health, they contain a high amount of potassium. Why is potassium good? Potassium is used to lower blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure, eating a ton of potassium lowers your blood pressure. You need around 4,700 milligrams of potassium a day. Most people don't get anywhere near that. Trust me on this. Eat the cucumbers, eat the garlic. Made this video long enough. End of video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share the video and like it. If you're interested in online personal training, my email is in the link. Send me my email is in the description box. Just send me a quick email and we'll go over pricing, stuff like that. Thanks for watching.